So, most of you may not know this, but by day, I am a fashion design teacher. I teach grades 9 through 12 at a technical school, and in their junior and senior year, they could take their design test to get like a design license, which pretty much they can use it in college to waive some like entry level courses, or they can, when they're applying for jobs, they can say, oh, I got my design license or whatever, and they can get higher pay or a better position coming right out of high school, which is pretty dope. I wish I had that. But in my classroom, we go by a motto. We actually have two, because the second motto is new. We started it this year. But our original motto was, I am my brother's keeper. I promise to treat everyone with respect and love. I pledge to keep my word. We established that. I've been saying that pledge for years now in the classroom. And it's just something that they say, it's memorized, and we always break it down. We try to create that environment in class to where you feel safe, and the next person has to care about the next person, and they should care about the next person. So it's like our safe haven, and we can be each other's keeper. If something's not right with you, I'm going to check on you and see how you're doing and how you're feeling. Then the other motto is fall forward, be motivated, be driven. And that is from a little excerpt from a speech that Denzel Washington gave on falling forward, which means basically taking risks in life. So fall forward or take a risk, be motivated, and be driven. So that's just to get them going and get their motivation up each day. Because let's just keep it real. Like, some days we just don't feel like it, but it keeps us motivated, it might be raining, maybe they broke up with their girlfriend or boyfriend, maybe they got drama or something, but when they come into the classroom and they know the motto, both mottos, to care about each other, to be motivated, to be driven, and that energy's coming from me, I feel like they get it. They feel my energy, they feel my vibes, so then they just copy that back, and then next thing you know, it's just a better environment. It's a safe place, but it's also laid back and chill and respectful most of all. So that's my spiel. Shout out to my students, by the way, because they already know. They know I'm crazy. But we have so much fun in class. I really enjoy them, and my only reason why I come to work. They're the only reason. I love when we're in our zone. We got the music going. They're sewing or they're doing their patterns, whatever. They're just having so much fun. And everyone is caring about everyone. So that's my little spiel about my classroom mottos and what I do for a living. So stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video.